Hello, good morning viewers. This is iPhone X. So the problem of this phone is that whenever they charge it, it's going to be writing a zero remaining. So just come and off your seat so that you can see what we did in this video. So this is the new battery we bought and this is the old battery. So anytime your iPhone is writing zero remaining, just go and give an engineer to help you to replace the battery. So that is the solution. You just change the battery of the phone. Very simple. So this is my wonderful customer now. Came to complain the same problem. So I now went to the market and buy new phone, new battery. So this is me opening the phone. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook and our TikTok. I really love you all. Please watch this video to the end so that you can get more. This is me when I'm changing the battery. So as you can see, I've opened the iPhone X phone. So sorry for the camera. Is my apprentice behind the camera, so you have to help me to manage. This is me fixing the battery of the iPhone. So as you can see, I've seen it. So I have to fix it properly so that the customer will be able to come and complain. So I'm on the phone. What this phone is doing before is that after you charge it, it's going to write zero remaining. Whenever you remove the charger, so the battery, the phone went on. The former battery that was inside the phone, it will on, but after some seconds it's going to trip off back. So I assure you, I guarantee you 100% that if you have the same issue, this is what you are going to do. If you are an engineer, this is what you are going to do. If you are not an engineer, just find any engineer nearby that you want to change the battery. I have 100% the problem will be solved. So this I want to test it. This time for testing. Yeah, this time for testing. Because I'm waiting to the phone to load. As you can see, the phone has already loaded. Yes, it has loaded. So this time for texting. Can you see the percentage of the battery? So I will not take my charger now. you are see, I've checked my charger, so I want to test it. See, it's not charging. No, before it will write 0.